And they're off. And lead is taken by Ilocos Pride. Yes, Joey on the outside. Jaden Diamond moving up on the inside. Ilocos Pride in the lead, followed by Jaden Diamond on the outside. Yes, Joey, pound for pound, and Renzi stays. Nearing the far turn, it is still Ilocos Pride in the lead by a length and a half, followed by Jaden Diamond on the outside in second. And moving up on the inside, pound for pound on the outside. Yes, Joey. Renzi stays is bringing up the rear. Rounding the far turn, Ilocos Pride by the rail. Jaden Diamond moving up on the outside and running in third by 2.5 lengths pound per pound. Yes, Joey on the outside. The last bend for home, Ilocos Pride by the rail. Jaden Diamond on the outside. And closing in third is pound per pound. Yes, Joey on the farther outside. At the top of the stretch, Jaden Diamond moving up now to grab the lead. It's Jaden Diamond in the lead, followed by Ilocos Pride, pound per pound by the rail. Yes, Joey on the outside. And nearing the fair line, it is still Jade and Diamond, pound per pound, running in second. Yes, Joey. And finally at the fair line, it is since for entry number 2, Jade and Diamond, pound per pound. Yes, Joey, Ilocos Pride. Renzi stays.
Alright, there you go. Tulad nung trending natin sa... Ay, hindi pala third